teacher Pasang Goiba from Goiba Academy, and today we are going to focus on organic chemistry, which is from 11th standard, unit 11th and 12th, which covers organic chemistry. So I'm not going to focus each and every details of the organic chemistry, but I think many students faces a lot of problems with basic. So today I'm going to focus mainly on basics, so what does organic chemistry mean, and how it's divided, and what are its components, what are its parts. Let's discuss everything on this video, and please watch till the end of this video to understand everything about organic chemistry, because it has a weightage of 20 marks in CBSE, as per CBSE, even though in 11 standard. So let's start the class without wasting time. So today's lecture will be about organic chemistry. So it says the branch of chemistry that deals with the carbon compound is called organic chemistry. In a very simple language, just it's I've written in a very simple language. The branch of chemistry, the branch of chemistry that deals with the carbon compound is called organic chemistry. I repeat it once again. The branch of chemistry that deals with the carbon compound. The branch of chemistry, that mostly focuses on carbon compound is called organic chemistry. Hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon. So what do you understand by hydrocarbon? So you by its the topic, by the topic hydrocarbon, we can directly understand that it is mainly nothing but carbon and hydrogen. So what does it mean? Let's understand. All organic compounds are derived from a group of compounds. All organic compound, the organic compounds that derive from a group of compounds, and then that becomes and that is called hydrocarbons. All organic compounds are derived from a group of compounds known as hydrocarbon. And again, hydrocarbons are subdivided into two parts: aliphatic and aromatic. So basically in 11th standard, as per CBSE, we are focusing more on aliphatic compounds, but a part of a kind, it's a type of hydrocarbon, and it's again it's subdivided into alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and now you may be you may be confused what is aliphatic and what is aromatic. So I'm just I've written aliphatic. There is nothing it's nothing but both are hydrocarbons, but there are a little bit a slight difference. The difference is that the ratio of carbon to hydrogen is more than that of aromatic, and aromatic's ratio of carbon to hydrogen is less than that of aliphatic. So I think just look properly. You can take a screenshot, or you can leave a comment, whatever your doubts are. So I think I don't need to repeat it once again. If you wanted to if you wanted me to repeat the same topic again and again, then please let me know in the comment section, whether in Facebook or whether in YouTube. So I will be very glad to help students. So I think the basic, I'm going to summarize. Organic compounds are derived from a group of compounds. That mainly exist of organic compounds are known as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are subdivided into two parts: aliphatic and aromatic. In aliphatic portion, you will be able to learn alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, aliphatic. And what is aliphatic and what's the difference between aliphatic and aromatic? There's nothing. Both are hydrocarbons, but there is a slight difference. Ratio of carbon to hydrogen is more than that of aromatic, and aromatic's ratio of hydrogen to carbon is less than that of aliphatic. Thank you. So as I was talking, carbon always makes a bond with 4 hydrogen atoms, right? So that's why we call methane. There is a special case in terms of butane. Butane has got 2 structure. Butane we can make a 2 structure, and that is called and that can be called structural isomer, as I have written here. Now you might be thinking about like aliphatic and aromatic. So what's aliphatic and why aromatic is not included in 11th standard chemistry. So it's a little bit like when you come to college, university, so you will be able to understand why it's not applicable, or why it's not in the syllabus of chemistry in 11th or 12th in CBSE particularly. So now aliphatic hydrocarbons, both aliphatic and both aromatic are hydrocarbons, right? Aliphatic hydrocarbon does not contain benzene group, whereas aromatic hydrocarbons contain 1 or more benzene rings. Okay, so in simple words I have written. If any question someone raises, what is aliphatic? Aliphatic is nothing but it's a hydrocarbon, and it does not contain benzene group, whereas aromatic hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbon that contains 1 or more benzene rings. And methane, so let me talk. So you have heard about ethyl, right? ETHYL, ethyl, methyl propenyl, something you have heard about, like. So I'm going to clear it, right? So you can see in the example what I have written here: CH2 CH2 CH3. One carbon atom is missing, because from here it's going here to make a bond. So whenever a carbon loses 1 hydrogen, it becomes ethyl. Okay, so in simple language we can say removing of hydrogen atom from methane, it becomes ethyl. So agar aapne if you have watched video till the end of this session, so I hope you liked it, and I hope you to share with your friends, and obviously good luck, and thank you so much for being with me and considering me as your teacher. And I hope we learn together, because sharing of knowledge is gaining of knowledge. Thank you so much. Good night.